Biryanis are something that we all enjoy, and today I'm going to make biryani in clay pot. In this method, the food is kept in clay pot which is sealed tightly, which doesn't allow steam to pass. The food gets cooked in its own steam and juices on the slow fire, infusing the flavors and aroma of its own herbs and spices in the food. Nutrients are not lost in this process, and thus the food is nutritious too. So let's get started. Into a bowl, take half a cup of sour curd. Into that, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. We will also add some fresh crushed ginger and garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of biryani masala. Give it a good mix. Also add salt to taste. Now we will add all the veggies. So here I am adding some cut potatoes, fresh mint, some cut cauliflower florets, carrots, colorful bell peppers, some cut green beans. You can add veggies according to your choice. Now give it a good mix. I forgot to add red onions. Mix everything well together. Now cover it and let it rest at least for 1 hour. This will help infusing all the flavors in our vegetables. Now into the big vessel I have taken 5 to 6 cups of water, and into that I'm going to add all the whole spices, cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves and star anise. Also add salt to taste and squeeze half a lemon into it. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of rice which I have soaked into water for 15 minutes. Now we will cook the rice on medium to high flame. Do not reduce the flame and continue cook the rice. The rice has to be 75% cooked. The grain should have a slight bite to them when cooked. And when you try to break the rice, it should break into two, but it should not be mushy. So at this point, turn off the stove. So at this point, we will drain the rice into a colander. You can also rinse the rice gently with water so that the grains stop cooking. Today I am cooking my biryani into clay pot, but you can use any vessel of your choice. So into the clay pot, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee. I will also add around 1 tablespoon of oil into it. When the oil is hot, we will transfer our marinated vegetable into the pot. Now we will let it cook these veggies into the pot until it is almost cooked. Now cover the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Check in between whether veggies are cooked or not. It may take 10 to 15 minutes depending upon the quantity of your veggies. So move the spatula in between and keep on checking. So remove half of the veggies into a bowl and make sure there is some water in the gravy. If not, then add around 1/4 cup of water into it. Now spread a layer of rice. Now again layer it up with remaining vegetables and rice. I will also pour some saffron milk on the top. I will sprinkle some fried onions and also some fresh coriander and mint leaves. Now cover the lid and put the mud pot in dum under very low flame for 5 to 8 minutes. If you keep it for a long time, there are chances for the bottom layer to be burned. Now after almost 7 minutes of dum, our biryani is ready. So turn off the stove and let it cool down for some time before you serve. You can see the texture of our biryani. All the rice grains are separated and it is already looking very yummy and tempting. If you like this recipe, then please give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.